Good morning, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today is Sunday, the 17th. I wanted to do a video because I'm going to cash out my $5.01 and show you how that process works. If you missed my video from yesterday, make sure you go and watch that video. This is going to show you how to make money every single day. If you need $5, if you need $10, if you need $15, you can get on here and make it. The link to sign up for this will be in the description. It's completely free. It does take time. To make money online, you're either going to have one of two scenarios. Either you're going to spend money to make money, or you're going to use your time for money, which is what you do at a 9-to-5 job. So, there's a survey bonus going on right now. You can click this and enter it. My goal is achieved. Here's my referral link. It'll be down in the description. My daily challenge. My 5-day challenge, their raffle. You can do surveys and offers and watch videos. That's where I've got the majority of mine from. I'll show you. Is watching videos. Ad gate offers. I just watched 3 videos, 2 points each. Ascend media offers. I've been watching videos, doing more videos. Usually I just watch videos, guys. I let this run while I'm at work. It collects my money or my points for me, and then I just convert those when I get home from work. So we're gonna do a cash out. We'll show these referral stats because that's one of the main things people are worried about. You're just making money off referrals. I'm really not. 71 clicks, 2 referrals, 0 points. Okay, 0 points. I got 2 clicks today, no signups. I got 7 clicks yesterday, no signups. So I'm getting clicks, nobody's signing up. They're clicking, they're leaving. Okay, you got to sign up and you got to do the work. So let me get into this cash out. Prizerebel. We're going to go to rewards. We're going to go down to PayPal. We're going to go to custom amount because I want my 501. So you're going to put in 501, which is going to be their points. It's going to be 501 points. Claim this item. Yes. Now, do you want to show this off? Show what you've got for free. Click below to share. You can share to all these social medias to get referrals, guys. I just choose to do videos because people like to see what people are doing to earn this money. You can stay connected with Prizerebel on Facebook, Twitter, or X, Instagram, and Pinterest. So my reward will be in my account in about, give it 3 or 4 minutes because I have automatic prize processing. You see that I'm at 0. I have nothing in my account. Okay. So that means that I've got to let videos run today while I'm at work so that I can transfer them and start earning more money to cash out again. I want to do this video. It's how to make money daily with a cash out. Okay, so please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop a new video. Let me know what videos you want to see down in the description. I will be dropping a new video probably Tuesday or Wednesday of a new thing that I'm taking part in. So stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys have a very happy St. Patrick's Day. Keep hustling. Sign up below. Make your money. And never be broke. See you guys on the next one.